Whether you're inside your BMW or out, you can use BMW Connected app to access various features from your compatible smartphone, such as listening to countless web radio stations, viewing your phone's calendar on the iDrive display, or accessing your favorite RSS news feeds. To begin, connect your compatible iPhone or Android device via the USB port or snap-in cradle found in the center console. Next, launch the BMW Connected app on your phone. Once it appears on the control display, you will be able to use the iDrive controller to scroll through the available features. BMW Connected app is available for vehicles equipped with the BMW Apps option. Refer to bmwassist.com for service availability and option requirements information.